Hi there, Eamon here from Vital Knowledge. Today I've got a real treat for you. We've got 3 techniques how to suppress sneezing, yawning and hiccups. Okay, so the first one, how to suppress sneezing. So this one, you might be familiar with this one already. It's you can use certain pressure points to prevent yourself from sneezing. If you feel the urge of sneezing coming along, you can either push upwards here at about a 45-degree angle upwards, going up towards your brain from the base of your nose, or from about the middle of the nose here, pushing straight in towards the head here. Don't need to apply too much pressure, just like a firmish but not too strong pressure, and that should help prevent you from sneezing most of the time. Number 1, to prevent yawning. So, sometimes you might not want to yawn in a social situation, especially if you're with some of those people who always say, we're keeping you up, So, way to prevent yourself from yawning is press the tongue to the roof of your mouth. When you feel the urge to yawn, press the tongue to the roof of your mouth like that, and I felt the urge to yawn there, so I pressed the tongue to the roof of my mouth, and then I didn't yawn. Okay? Now, eventually, you'll find that you will need to yawn, the urge will overcome eventually, but you can hold it off for a while by pushing that tongue to the roof of your mouth. Third technique is to prevent hiccups. Now, you've probably heard of a lot of different techniques for stopping hiccups, such as drinking water upside down or standing on your head, things like that. There's only one technique that I've found to be effective. I've tried all different things, but there's only one that I've found works most of the time. And that is, you want to put your hands in this kind of position here, block your nose and your ears, and hold your breath and hold this position for about 30 seconds. Now, you may feel kind of foolish while doing that. You certainly look foolish, and I think that kind of helps the technique somehow. Not sure why, but it seems to be even more effective if you try this in a public place. Okay, because you feel a bit self-conscious of doing this motion, and that I think helps the technique to stop you from hiccuping. Okay, so there's your 3 techniques. Hope you enjoyed this video.